Alright peeps, welcome back to my channel. Zane, thanks for joining me for another one. Really and truly, thanks. Zane, so today we are pre-music. Zane, now we name time. T.I.M. Can't be serious. Anyways, time. Zane. Peeps, like, share, subscribe. Zine, get the word out. Guys, please like. It means a lot. You like and you subscribe. Like. If you watch the video and you rate it, like it. Please and thank it. Really does help with the algorithm, with YouTube, and help my content to get pushed out a bit more. You see me? Respect. So we are what you name Meusik. It's spelled M-E-U-S-I-K. And it's a name time, Zane. Yeah, me that try to find it on YouTube. It took a while. It took a time. Me I put this right now, Zane. So music time right now. See what I want.
Look for the hours, man.
Typical Jamaican
But I understand you. What kind of style is? How would I want to know?
I just, me do have whole heap of things.
Don't get tired of coming to
A time to be born.
Yo, we never reached that yet. We never reached that yet. For real. Like the boss himself, us step from going to a place and a cost you saying I'm going to a place. Jano style. Yo, we need heart tube. Man, in bad. Bad man.
And a time to die, a time to plant and a time to uproot. Never give up, youth. More while if you give it all up, done. No matter what you try, just now what done. Me know you feel my youth, but the moment you give up, you feel my youth. Time, listen youth, nothing be time. Clock a tick, your era soon time. Remember when we never have a thing one time, but T.I.M.E. Wait and you will see, yeah. Clock a...
Yo, right now, we don't know. We never saw what that song, yeah. Like, it just speaks some true shit, you know. Like, man, I say, yo, brother, just build. Enough time you want to give up. Enough time things now work for you. Enough time you sit down there and say, you know. What she just said. Yeah, man, enough time you just can't bother with life. It's so goddamn rough. Zane, you probably give up. Man, I say, yo, you're going to hold it. Because the second you give up, you lose, you know. Nothing be time, just wait. The second you decide, say, yo, I'm going, you know what? I'm not about to work today, you know. You just lose your job. You see me? I just say, go, man. You have to just fight it, hold it, the way I do. Real talk, me G.
Take your era soon time. Nothing never happened before the right years. Now me been a work, now the thing a work. Me never yet give up, cause me know me work. Now me life smooth like the sweet them for me desert. Them used to do me.
Now your life smooth like the sweet for your dessert, me G. Bad me G. Rate it.
Dirt, Sahara Desert. Try that now, see if you not get hurt. Me not smile with them, not even a smirk. No friends sell me out, counter clerk. Me just like.
Yo, the man say, here I go. Right now, me not even smile, me not smirk with the people that sell me out. If you don't sell me out already, go on about on the business. You know good. I said, enough of them selling more counter clerk. Like, I must say, let's sell you up, my G. I trust. No, but I truth still. You know, fight it, my G.
Give them. Time. Listen, you, nothing be time. Clock a tick, your era soon time. Remember when we never have a thing one time, but T.I.M.E.
Yo, I never know I rate this song so much, you know, because honestly speaking, the lyrics simple. You see me? The lyrics simple. Certain times when me you know, so I hear certain things when I think when I do something different. And I do that and do something different. But the song's still bad. You see me? Yo, this bad. I rate it.
And you will see, yeah. Clock a tick, your ear a soon time. Nothing never happened before the right time. Patience, patience, time will tell. Well, if a time I rush in at things and fail. Me learn my lesson very well. And if you can't learn for one.
Yo, alright, I'm gonna stop right there, sir. I'm gonna talk to him right now. The man say, yo, anybody who try to do something in a life will know exactly what I'm talking about. You go feel. Sometimes you pray, so you make $3 million by a morning, and you actually lose $3 million last night. You never know what's going on, you see me? When you try something, chances are you might fail. But with them, I say, yo, here what's going on. Things that work out, you see me? And that's how you go. Nothing beats time, you see me? Everything I do right now is actually. Yes, babe? Yeah, me alright, man. Everything I do right now, Zane, is actually helping you and preparing you for the future. You see me? You're not gonna lose our fight. You're not gonna lose. You can't lose our fight. As long as you put it to good use. You see me? Because you make knowledge. You get knowledge of fight.
If you're born for meet hell, I know everything work out the fast way. So I put in the hard work every day. Foundation of a set before the blocks them lay. Any other way are not the right way. Time. Listen you, nothing be time. Clock a tick, your ear a soon time. Remember when me never have a thing one time, but T.I.M.E. Wait and you will see, yeah. Clock a tick, your ear a soon time. Nothing never happened before the right time. More while if you give it all up down. No matter what you try, just now walk down. Me know what you feel.
It's like the man that talk to me right now. You see me enough time, you feel like no matter what you do, it just not work out. It just not work out. It just not work out. You can pretend what? Really? Did you just come in and mess my mic up? I didn't realize I was going to peeps. I'm sorry. I know I'm to her. But Britain, you want to leave now? Go. Please, go. Go on. Go watch Cocomelon or something. What am I doing in our life? But, yeah, you see me? Things good. Things good. I don't even remember what I was saying just now.
My youth, but the moment you give up, you feel my youth. Do not make it struggle, kill you, make it build up. Hold it out, look more youth, me I beg you. Take a good look in at the mirror and tell yourself time. Listen you, nothing be time. Clock a tick, your ear a soon time. Remember when me never have a thing one time, but T.I.M.E. Wait and you will see, yeah. Clock a tick, your ear a soon time. Nothing never happened before the right time.
Yo,
Thing one time, when me never have a thing one time.
Music.
A thing one time. Remember when me never have a thing one time. You never give up in a life, you see me? I know I'm a junk.
Just the rate, the thing that when your neck can look like, no, you make money, you sell out. just a separate.
I'm just talking about Tam junk, but Tam no phone.
Yo, peeps, that's music. Zine time. T.I.M.E, I think. No. It is. That's it. Zane, it bad. Get a pray for yourself. If you wanna go through some hard time right now, just give that pray and trust me. Tell if your spirits right up. Right? If it is that the skeg never help you, then it's a something. Peeps, like, share, subscribe, get the word out. Once again, like the goddamn videos, guys. Like them, man. Like them. You see me? Outside.